morning to all the children. Please get ready for morning prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. You my strength and I am weak. You my treasure that I see. You my all in all. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, you give me a fool. You my all in all. Lord, give you a palm. What is your name? Lord, give you a palm. What is your name? Taking my sin, my cross, my shame, rising again, I bless your name. You are my all in all. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill my cup. You are my all in all. Lord, give you a palm. What is your name? Lord, give you a palm. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Myself Avika Chadha from class 5A. So today's thought is, life is very generous to those who pursue their personal legend. I repeat my thought, life is very generous to those who pursue their personal legend. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone. My name is Achyutam Sharma of class 8B of KC International School, and today I am here to present a piece of my imagination in poetic form, how the coronavirus has affected Jammu and Kashmir. So let's start. Waking up early and getting ready for school, preparing for the advancing fresh liberty pools, enjoying in the chorus of the temple's enchantments and the mosque's azan, those regular strolls to the local bazaar. How strange was that life, full of freedom, where we could go anywhere and it was so wholesome. Crossing far distances for reaching the Vaishno Devi shrine, but now just watching its telecast on TV would be fine. Taking those evergreen selfies in the meadows of Pahalgam, Srinagar then, but now have become invisible, all those crowds of men. Earlier were hustling, bustling the hills of Patni Chowk, but now certainly the number of people would drop. No doubt the coronavirus has affected the UT, but not the minds. In this hard time, positivity and courage is what everyone finds. Don't worry friends, we'll all fight against it together and we'll make our lives more and more than better. Following the guidelines, the rules, the norms will help us fight the COVID-19 storms. Positivity, courage, effort, obedience and hope, this pandemic definitely will be able to cope. So stay safe friends and develop your creativity. J&K will emerge better and better with stability. Thank you so much.
Good morning, students. Please stand by for the pledge. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection, where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the tarry desert sand of dead habit. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thoughts and action, into that heaven of freedom, my Father, let my country awake. Jai Hind.
A very pleasant and lovely morning to all. I hope you all had an amazing summer break, doing well with your families, staying safe at home during this unprecedented time. Being stuck inside, being confined to our spaces allows us time to reflection. And through reflection, I believe that we find aspects we are grateful for. Therefore, I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the students, parents and teachers for embracing the change and phenomenally stepping up to the challenges we have thrown at you every now and then. You have been amazing. So thank you for that. Furthermore, I am extremely glad to mention that we are all set to take a step ahead and opt for various approaches to make our virtual and online teaching more effective and more interesting. Sending your way my best wishes for virtual classes. Good luck to you and thank you.
Good morning, KCItes. How are you all? Welcome to the first virtual assembly. I know, dear students, circumstances are different and it's really very difficult time for everyone. But I know that we all KCItes are ready to face any challenge. There is an important announcement, children. From today onwards, you are going to start with your Google classes. So you have to wait for another 3 days for the activities because I want you to get well acquainted with your online learning process. So from Monday onwards, gear up to learn music, dance, taekwondo, aerobics, yoga, right? So see you soon on Monday in the evening for activity classes. Bye.
Students, happy to address you after summer vacations. I hope you have had a fruitful and enjoyable summer. Now once you are back, I expect you to enjoy your academics too. I always feel online study can be efficient and effective to those who are self-disciplined because they are the ones who are able to create their own schedule. And we as guides are already there with you. Listen to your teachers, attend all the sessions. You don't have time and do not postpone things. If you have any doubt, if you have questions, ask when they arise. This is the successful mantra for all of you. Happy learning. God bless. Thank you.
Good morning, students. Welcome you all after summer vacation. Hope you had a very good time, very productive time with your family and friends. I wish a very good health for all of you in coming days because we need to take precautions. And now we are again back to our new normal, the teaching and learning through online methods. So I wish that you are going to have a very happy learning with your teachers again. I hope you have done your assignments very nicely and you are going to enjoy that, the evaluation of the assignments and the submission of your summer holidays. So I just pray each one of you to have a very good mental health, your physical health and social health so that you can have all kinds of learning and you can utilize your timing in a very judicious way. I request children that we all need a kind of motivation to give a very nice shape to our work. So I request each one of you to motivate your teachers and praise them when they are teaching you. They are taking so much pain for you all. So you have to praise your teachers and motivate your teachers and be a very, very active learner in the classroom. Either it is virtual classroom or it is a normal offline classroom. So these months, these 2-3 months are very, very important, and just to finish your UT1 before vacation, now the another exam will be waiting for you. So pay attention towards studies and have a very, very good time management, because if time is managed nicely, everything is done very nicely. So cooperate with your parents and have a very, very happy learning. I want to thank your parents, because their cooperation, their motivation and their help, it was the real strength for all of us to work for you people. And it's a joint venture for school and the parent in bringing up the children. So I wish you good luck and have a very, very happy learning. Thank you.